Hey, what's going on, guys? I am standing back in our used section here on the lot, about to take you through this 2019 Heritage Glen. This is the 356 QB model, and I'm just absolutely in love with every single square inch of this camper. I think it's amazing. The way it's all laid out, all the colors, everything. So I think you guys are gonna love it because I am just so in love. We're gonna start with the outside first and then give you that inside tour. So you have your pin box here at the very front. A little bit of space. You probably could put some extra storage in there, but your spare tires in there, also your battery. On our camping side, you have a power awning so you can relax under the shade. Nice slam latch magnetic doors into your humongous pass-through storage. Your battery disconnect is over here on your camping side as well. Solid steps at your main entrance, and you also have the friction hinge doors so it does not slam into your camper, especially if it gets pretty windy outside. Oversized grab handle, Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and then just below that you have a bracket for a TV. So you have your cable and satellite hookup plus your power. Pretty awesome. And your one slide out here on your camping side has this gigantic kitchen. So stainless steel capital grill, extra countertop space just up above as well. Power on the back so you can plug some small appliances in there. 3 cabinets. You also have a light so you can see what you're doing, especially if it gets pretty dark outside, you're starting dinner late, you can still take advantage of this outside kitchen. A sink and this big mini fridge so you can put your kids' beverages in here, juice boxes, adult beverages, anything that you want. And with that door, it also doubles as another awning. So again, if it's raining outside or if it's pretty hot, you can still be outside cooking. You even have front and rear power stabilizer jacks, a rear ladder, prepped for a observation camera as well. Second entrance, which I'll talk about once we get on the inside. And then over here on our non-camping side, you have 3 more slide outs. And I also thought that this was pretty cool. You have 2 doors onto your pass-through storage on your non-camping side. Normally it's just that one big door, so the fact that you have 2 is just something that's already different. Starting from the top with your water hookups is your black tank flush, outside shower, city water connection, fresh water connection, water heater bypass, and yeah, if you need to rinse off your sandy feet or muddy shoes, you can extend this shower out, maybe give your dog a bath. And then your propane tanks are over here as well. So now let's take a look at this amazing inside floor plan. All right, so starting from the front and working our way towards the back, because I think the very back of the camper is the showstopper of it all. We have our master bedroom here at the front. And this does lift up for some additional storage, so you are able to lift up your mattress. Windows on either side for a nice view and some natural light coming into your bedroom. Plus you have these shelves too, so you can have little knickknacks or your phone there if you would like. Across from your bed, you have a huge set of dresser drawers, so you can place even more belongings in there. Countertop space for picture frames, and then your bracket for your TV is just up above. Another big window. Kind of a bench area. You can put your shoes up there or just sit on it when you are ready to put your shoes on for the day. And then we have our wardrobe. So the doors to our wardrobe in general, I think, are really cool looking. It's just something that's different. But the one that I am sliding has the floor length mirror, so you can use that to get ready. But just behind there, you have washer and dryer hookups. So you are more than welcome to get those if you would like, or you can just use this for some extra storage too. Built-in clothes rack on either side. There's one over there. And you have some built-in shelves too. So really awesome. Couple hooks as well. Behind this door is our bathroom. So porcelain foot flush toilet. You even got a toilet paper holder. Nice sit down shower, great for relaxing, and really pretty color on your sliding shower door. Skylight is just up above, and then of course you got your vent fan. Sink is right across from your toilet. This also is a stainless steel sink. Of course you got your mirror, storage below, power, so if you need to plug some stuff in, you can. And then on our steps, we have our control panel to access our interior lights, awnings, slide outs, all of that fun stuff. Another bench right next to your main entrance, so you can just set your stuff there or, you know, put your shoes and stuff on before you're ready to go. On the opposite wall, coming down the steps, we have our entertainment center. Storage runs all the way down and across and along it, so you can put all of your board games in there, your DVDs, things like that. And you even have a fireplace, which is pretty cool. So this actually kicks off some heat. So if it happens to be early or late season camping, you can take advantage of that. Your Bluetooth speaker system, DVD, radio, all of that stuff you can access through here. Then of course your gigantic swivel TV, more storage up above. Kind of diagonal is your sleeper sofa, so this will fold down into a sleeping spot for more guests that are wanting to come stay with you. Same thing with your huge U-shaped dinette. Storage compartments are underneath the seats as well, so love the U-shaped dinettes. And you have windows across the slide out for even more natural light coming in. You have your stainless steel refrigerator. You actually have quite a bit of room. And there is the freezer. Have some storage cabinets up above. I don't think I can reach that, or I would show you. And then coming into more of our kitchen appliances, 3 burner top stove with this glass cover that also doubles as a backsplash. So if you're cooking bacon in the morning or something else that's pretty greasy, stuff's flying everywhere, this really helps to wipe and clean things off. You don't have to worry about it splattering all the way on your backsplash. And you even have a couple command hooks that the previous owners left behind. Then there's your oven. More drawer storage for your pots and pans. Of course, you got your range hood, stainless steel microwave, more storage cabinets, and even below your sink. I also love these solid surface countertops. I think they're gorgeous, all the white. There's even a little bit of sparkle too, if you guys can see that. Stainless steel sink, spray nozzle, plus you got yourself a window for a nice view. And you have even more pantry space just before entering the back portion of the camper. Or you can just use this for living room storage, pretty much whatever you want. And now, the best part of this whole entire camper, it's all pretty great, but this is awesome. You have a huge master suite bunk room situation that we got going on. So because you have your bunks in each of these slide outs, you have all of this playroom space, walking space for them to run around and go crazy. Directly to my right, we have our first bunk, and it actually does latch. So if you are wanting to sit down and take advantage of this sofa without hitting your head, you can do that. And this also will fold down into a sleeping space for more guests. Plus you have storage down below. Outlets and USBs are everywhere to charge those electronics. And then across from there, we have our other loft space. A spot for a TV down below. Open cubby storage is all around. And you have more closet space running to the left of that. Mirror panel is also on the middle cabinet. Built-in clothes rack. And I'd also like to point out too, the ceilings are so tall, so it makes this whole room feel a lot bigger. And then finally, if you thought that was pretty cool, the kids get their own full bath. So there are 2 full bathrooms in this camper. You have your porcelain foot flush toilet here to the right, toilet paper holder, cabinet storage, and then you have your storage below your sink. Of course, your sink, power, and you have a shower tub combo. Again, the ceilings are super tall in here, and you have that second entry. So a lot of the time you'll see the second entrance on your camping side, but this one just happens to be at the back of your camper. So that's definitely still on a lot of people's checklists, especially if you have guests over at your site or your kids are getting dirty, they can just access this bathroom right here without having to use your own private bathroom all the way up front. So there you have it. Any questions or concerns about this, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.